Hey guys, this is Chef Neer here from La Gondola in Beverly Hills. We got a great chopping list together for you here today for a cute little recipe we're going to have you prepare while you enjoy your wines and watch the show. Item number 1. Depending on how you can find it, this is the ahi tuna sushi grade. Most places you can find it as a loin, a steak, or you can already find it grind. But if not, I'll show you as we make the recipe how to puree it. Number 2 is your pickled ginger. Most places will give it already to the pink one. Try to get the yellow one, it's more original. No food coloring, that's what we enjoy to use. Soy sauce. This dish can actually be made gluten-free. You can get low salt, regular, or gluten-free soy sauce. This is our roasted sesame oil. Do not get fooled by just the words sesame oil. Make sure it says roasted or toasted sesame oils. And here we have our chopped scallions or green onions. And something you can find at every market also, your egg roll wraps. And this is how it's going to look like after we fry it. So egg roll wraps, we got a little dash of mayo, we have our tuna, soy sauce, we have our sesame oil, our green onions, and our chopped pickled ginger. So we are going to start with pre-crisping our egg roll skins. Our egg roll skins is something, like I mentioned, you can buy at any market. All you're going to have to do is, with a nice sharp knife, you're just going to, very sharp, we're just going to open up here, and we're just going to take out a couple of the wraps. Let's move. This is what our finished product will look like, but I'm going to show you how simple it is just to cut them. You're going to have on a skillet, you're going to have about a ½ inch of oil. I like to use either avocado oil or canola oil. You're going to slice it like this. It's well floured, so they are not going to stick if they're fresh. Cut it again, and just depending on the size, we can go one more cut. And there we go. So now we have ourselves little wonton crisps, little Asian nachos. And these we are going to fry. Pre-fried and then fried. Some people will even go ahead and spray it with some spray, like a Pam sauce, and bake it in the oven. Not so crazy because it does become very hard. So if you are going to go for it, just might as well just go ahead and fry it. This can be pre-fried the day before even, so you can enjoy. And then we're going to get ready to roll.